spotted my dog sleeping in the living room. I went out to get McDonald's for our lunch. We enjoyed a McChicken Burger and a Prosperity Chicken Burger set, with points redeemed for another French fries. Mom and Lovey recovered on this day. We didn't go anywhere and just took this day to rest at home. Additionally, since it was Chìkǒu, we stayed at home to avoid any conflicts and arguments with people. I gave Lovey a few French fries as a treat. My McDonald Prosperity Chicken Burger. McDonald's only sells it once a year during CNY, so I make sure to have at least one every year.